everyone, this is Kimmy Kim and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 2 of the 5 days of Valentine's Day, and I'm going to share with you what I've made for that. Now day 2, my challenge was to use Cara's sheet, one of her sheets from her Digi kit. I'm sorry I'm off camera sometimes. And I'm trying to get used to this. And then this is from Julie's kit, and that's her ephemera. So that I had to make some things with all these items in it. So what I did is, see, I'm organizing per day here. This is what I had fun making. Now I made this little, I don't know if these are in the way or not. Let's see. Just this little journaling card with some stitching, sewing, and some lace behind the label, and on tea-dyed paper. So that was one thing I was able to make. And then that was from, I think that was from Cara's. Yes, that was from Cara's. And this here has a piece actually from Cara's and from Julie's, and then I just put a piece of lace through. And I'm real big on sewing. I like to sew, so you don't have to do that, all that trimming. And then I put a little eyelet there and some sari silk ribbon. And the back I just backed it with tea-dyed paper. So that was another one. I was able to make quite a bit. And then I made this tag here. And I really had fun with using the book, the old book, the vintage book pages, and then I backed it with Cara's paper from yesterday, from day 1. And if you see, I used one of Julie's tags that have the numbers on them, and I used it as a tag. Or actually, it's a card, I misspoke, and I made it a tag. So, and then I took her cute little images, and I sewed a little book together. And then I put a little pocket, this is a little bitty pocket right here. And then I used that and made a teeny tiny little pocket and put these in there. These little tags there. And then I just sewed a couple tea-dyed pieces of paper in there, sewed it down the center, and all of them are all inked up on the edges, so I was able to make that. Oh, let's see. Oh, and a couple pieces of ephemera there. So I thought that was my favorite. That was a lot of fun. Let me move these over. I was able to make quite a bit. And then I made this tag here using, again, an old book page, and backed it with Cara's paper from, or Digi from yesterday, day 1. And then I used some burlap, actually, behind it, and sewed it in, and then just sewed some pink lace that has roses on it, and so that's that one. And then I was able to make this little booklet, and I used a little doily and a little Tim Holtz pin. It says "Be true to you," and used the lace that I had for the binding here, and the paper from day 1. That's the back. And again, I sewed it all around. This is just a really quick and easy way to make a really cute insert to a journal, or even just like a Valentine to send in the mail to a friend. Would be really nice. And then I just kind of did a little, I don't even know what they call this, but I just some paper zigzaggy there. And sewed in a few pages. Just sewed it down the center of the sewing machine. Now if you don't have a sewing machine, it's, you know, no problem. You just do your stitch, your 3-hole stitch there. And then I zigzagged her image there, and oh gosh, I hope these didn't glue in there. Oh, there we go. And then made a little tag with that. Again, sewed all around. And then the little card from Julie's kit, and zigzagged and stitched around for that. So this I thought was so cute. That really worked out well. So again, with just these 2 sheets, I was able to make all these things. So I thought that was really cool. It was a lot of fun. And thank you, Cara and Julie, for you know, sharing your DigiKits with us. It's great. So thanks everyone for watching day 2 of 5 days of Valentine's Day, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care and be safe.